everyone, this is Camille. Welcome to our channel Try to DIY. Today we're going to do that. I'm going to show you 5 ways to upgrade your boring pillows. It's really easy to do, the methods are doable by anyone, and you can make it with very simple stuff you have already at home. Enjoy the video.
So this is what my pillows look like before the upgrade. For the first pillow, I will be using chunky yarn that I'll be attaching in line to add a little bit of texture to it. I first tried to sew it into the pillow by hand, but it wasn't really secure, so I decided to change my technique and use the glue gun. For the edges of the yarn, I'm using a thread to make a knot, and I added some glue to secure everything. Then I was able to make a pom-pom with the remaining of the yarn. For the second pillow, we will change the shape a bit by sewing it from the inside. I chose to make a rainbow and draw the line where I should be sewing. For this next step, I'm placing a piece of cardboard inside to protect the other side of the fabric from the paint I'm going to apply on the top. I will be using a potato to shape a custom stamp for the next pillow. I chose to make a triangle, but there are literally endless possibilities to this technique. Next, dip the potato in paint or apply it with a brush. Okay, let's start with that pillow. I actually had so much fun with this technique that I decided to make the other side. Here I'm gonna simply hand sew lines of colors on this pillow. I am making sure to trace the spaces on the inside to have a clean result. for the last one, I'm making round pompons of different sizes. I use a fork to make the small ones. And to make the larger pompons, I use my hand. I left the string that I used to tie the middle of the pompon long enough to fix it to the pillow.
Et voilà! That's all for today. If you like this video, put a thumbs up under the video, subscribe to our channel, and feel free to share with your friends and family. À bientôt!